In this tutorial, I am going to talk about various types in Java. Basically, we have two categories of types: primitive types and non-primitive types. Primitive types store simple values like byte, short, integer, long, float, double, Boolean and char. Non-primitive types or reference types such as strings, arrays, classes, interfaces store complex objects. We will talk about non-primitive types later, but let's take a look at primitive data types now. A primitive data type specifies the size and type of variable values, and it has no additional methods. There are 8 primitive data types in Java. Byte, which takes 1 byte of memory and stores whole numbers from -128 to 127. As I said before, to declare a variable, we start with the type of the variable, which is byte here. Then we give the name of our variable, which is number, then equal sign, then the value of the variable, and we will terminate this line with semicolon. Short, which takes 2 byte of memory and stores whole numbers from -2 to the 15th and 2 to the 15th -1. For example, short number equals 369. Integer, which takes 4 byte of memory and stores whole numbers from -2 to the 31 and 2 to the 31 -1. For example, int number equals 100,000. Long, which takes 8 byte of memory and stores whole numbers from -2 to the 63 and 2 to the 63 -1. This is used when integer is not large enough to store the value. Note that you should end the value with a L character. It's really important to choose the proper data type for our variables to save the memory. For example, we can use integer to store a 4 digits PIN. But the proper data type for this variable can be short, because it can store whole numbers to 32,768. The float data type can store fractional numbers. Note that you should end the value with a F character. This data type should be used whenever you need a number with a decimal, such as 9.99. The double data type can store a bigger fractional number. Note that you should end the value with a D character. The precision of a floating point value indicates how many digits the value can have after the decimal point. The precision of float is only 6 or 7 decimal digits, while double variables have a precision of about 15 digits. Therefore, it is safer to use double for most calculations. A Boolean data type is declared with the Boolean keyword and can only take the values true or false. For example, Boolean is Java fun equals true. Boolean is today sunny equals false. The char data type is used to store a single character. The character must be surrounded by single quotes. Here is an example. Char grade equals B. To check if you have completely learned the concept of primitive types, you can answer this question in the comment section. We are going to store someone's age in my age variable. Which primitive type would be the best choice for this variable? In the next video, we will know the non-primitive types and learn how to declare them. If you like to get new updates, please subscribe the channel and like the videos. You can ask your questions or share your idea in the comment section or in the channel community.